Damaged. The word damaged is an adjective that describes something that has been harmed, broken, or impaired in some way. It indicates that an object or a person has experienced some form of injury or loss, resulting in a decrease in its quality, functionality, or value. Examples: 1. The car was severely damaged in the accident. This means that the car was involved in a collision or an incident that caused physical harm, such as dents, scratches, or broken parts. 2. The storm damaged several houses in the neighborhood. This implies that the houses were negatively affected by the storm, possibly resulting in structural issues, broken windows, or other forms of destruction. 3. Her reputation was damaged by the false accusations. This suggests that someone made false claims about her, which led to a decline in her standing or public perception. 4. The laptop's screen was damaged, making it unusable. This indicates that the laptop's screen was harmed, rendering it inoperable or difficult to use. 5. The painting was accidentally damaged during transportation. This means that the painting suffered some form of harm or deterioration while being moved or transported, potentially resulting in scratches, tears, or other forms of damage. In essence, the term damaged is used to describe the negative effects of an event or action on an object or person, highlighting a loss or decrease in value, quality, or functionality.